خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه. عندي لك رقصه قويه يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحه خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك هيل خليك شديد. عطني رقصه الفريسه زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزه حق المحتر اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفه انا هيبه عيل سوي رقصه بياض يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا سولي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا ستة في مان. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة. حلو زين مكانه حلو ديكوريشن ماله حلو سولي رقصة المارشميلو ربعناها فوق كله كامل كيلو رفيجك طايح كتفه كان يهزه هز جاي من زامه والليل مبيش في عبوري يا ودل لان احنا شايلين هالليله يوبا شيل. اقول عطني رقصه طقلي صرناي اقول عطني رقصه كلمه تاي اقول سوي رقصه هلو جدباي زيد لي شكر وايد وانا اشرب لي شاي. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه. دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه. عندي لك رقصه قويه يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحه خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك هيل خليك شديد. عطني رقصه الفريسه زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزه حق المحتر اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفه انا هيبه عيل سوي رقصه بياض يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا سولي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا ستة في مان. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة. حلو زين مكانه حلو ديكوريشن ماله حلو سولي رقصة المارشميلو ربعناها فوق كله كامل كيلو رفيجك طايح كتفه كان يهزه هز جاي من زامه والليل مبيش في عبوري يا ودل لان احنا شايلين هالليله يوبا شيل. اقول عطني رقصه طقلي صرناي اقول عطني رقصه كلمه تاي اقول سوي رقصه هلو جدباي زيد لي شكر وايد وانا اشرب لي شاي. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه. يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه.
I like any one girl from class 12 and one boy from class 12 to come on the stage. Quick, please come. Anyone boy and anyone girl. Anyone girl from class 12? Come, both of you come. A special token of love from the entire team of St. Paul's Academy. Children, today is a great day. First, listen, afterwards you will enjoy. You saw the video. It was not the advertisement of Parle-G. Ignore the advertisement Parle-G. You saw the depth of the video. Your attachment with the teachers in this institute for last 10 to 12 years, you are leaving the memory. We wish all of you best of the best luck to all of you in your future henceforth, in your careers, in your parenting and everything. The only thing I will not waste much time is that always respect your parents. যত বড় হয়ে যাবে না কেন মা বাবার সাথে সব রকম কথা শেয়ার করবে। Always listen to your conscience, what you are going to do, whether it is right or wrong. This is the age when you are excited and you will try to attempt anything, but attempting anything always never may be good. So please be careful each and every moment what you are going to do. Moreover, the management of St. Paul's Academy and the entire team of teachers, maintenance staff, they are proud of you and they want to be proud of you. So we want to see you to be a good human being. That's all. Thank you. Best of luck. Hello.
Everyone, please be quiet and please be seated.
Hello. Hello. I request everyone to please be organized. Students of class 12, please, at the back, standing. Come forward and sit in a place. The teachers at the back, make sure they are seated. All of you first be seated. Otherwise, we can't carry on with the program. All of you be seated. I request everyone to please be seated. And please control your voice because we have lots coming up in honor of you only, students.
Everyone, please be seated.
Hello, kindly be seated. Unless you sit down, we can't start anything. Hello, please be seated, maintain silence. I request each and everyone to please maintain silence. Okay. Before I begin, I will be saying only few words. But first of all, thank you so much for coming on this farewell ceremony of Standard 12 by the students of Standard 11 for the session 2025-26. A big round of applause for each and every one of you. Everyone should be clapping. Clap to yourself. This is not only the last day as we call it a farewell ceremony. It is just the beginning of your future. Right? So we are very thankful that you have been present here today for the farewell ceremony conducted by Standard 11 students. Thank you so much, and the way you were greeted over here in the beginning, the felicitation, I suppose you are happy with that. And thank you from the inner core of my heart with the united third classes that you are wearing, all of you together. A big hand for that also. All of you. You are collectively wearing the third classes and pre-planned when you come for the farewell ceremony. So thank you. Before I end up, I must thank all the students of Standard 11, those who have worked hard right through the month and organized this farewell ceremony to their best. So a big hand for them also, for all the 11 students. Students, once again a big round of applause for all the 11 students. You must also thank all the teachers, those who have taught you from right from nursery till standard 12. Each and every teacher and maintenance staff. A big round of applause for them also. A big round of applause for them also. Please, please. Kota hai tali ta kota hai haath ta nahi. Okay. Ever jora haath tali. Okay. So thank you. I suppose we are delayed with the program, but one thing you must remember, the school, the St. Paul's Academy School, the HPA banner, where the motto lies, dare to dream. Only when you dare to dream, you can achieve success in your life, wherever you go in your life. So thank you so much on this eve of farewell ceremony. But before I end up, I must say a quote from in Hindi. बिछड़ रहे हैं हम, पर ये यादें हमेशा याद रहेगी. बिछड़ रहे हैं हम, पर ये यादें हमेशा याद रहेगी. आपको आपकी कामयाबी की खुशबू हर जगह फैलेगी. निकले सफर पर लेकर हौसले बुलंद, निकले सफर पर हौसले बुलंद करके. हमारी दुआएं, सेंट पॉल्स की दुआएं, हमारे टीचर्स की दुआएं, आपके माता पिता की दुआएं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहेगी. सो अ बिग थैंक यू टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Chairman sir, Honorable Secretary sir, but the Vice Principal, dear teachers and our lovely students. Children, we gather here today just a big farewell to our standard 12 students. Children, it is a normal schedule. Nobody is going to say goodbye to you. Although we are saying you goodbye from the classrooms, no more you will be allowed to go to the classrooms, but you are not said that you are goodbye from the school. All the moment you are allowed to take an entry to the school, specifically during any program, during our annual program, you are always welcome and you will be there. One thing, children, I am reminding you that, say, the school and you, the relation is not for just last 13 years we are here. It will go ever. Wherever you will go, first they will ask about the school. Although you will complete your PhD, but they will ask about the school. So you cannot deny that my school. So you have to remember, and particularly the day, what is the importance of the day? It is the day you have to memorize how last 13 years passed, the day I come to school, when I didn't know anything about school. My parents holding my hand, I was crying. They brought to school, and my beloved teachers, they welcomed me to this. Children, this is a platform where we provided you lot of things to make you fit for the society. Children, these schools, they prepare the student for a good citizen, but we at St. Paul, we prepare our students for a global citizen. How you can reach to the world, that is our motto, and we have prepared, we have given a lot of ideas to you which will help you to reach to any extent. But children, one thing keep in mind, till today we your parents always were restrictive. Yes, you do this, do that, get up at this. But right from today, you are going to a greater world. You are going to take your decision your own. So now when you are getting certain freedom, but you have certain duties. See children, when you are getting freedom to think yourself, when you go to the college, the professor in the college will not behave as like your teachers. The teachers wholeheartedly they were after you, they are guiding you, but there you have to prepare your career your alone.
You came here as students and leave as a family of memories, dreams, and friendship that time can never erase. As we step out of school and into the world, carry your dreams with confidence and your values with pride. Wishing you success, courage, and happiness in everything you do. One last bell, one last walk through these corridors, yet a lifetime of memories to carry. No matter where life takes you, St. Paul's Academy will always be home. Today, as we say goodbye, but the friendships, lessons, and laughter will echo forever. You may leave the classroom, but school will never leave your heart. We didn't know when we walked in that one day it would lead to this goodbye. Endings hurt, but they also prove how beautiful the journey was. On behalf of everyone at St. Paul's Academy, we wish you the very best for everything you dare to do, and may you take a brave step forward to move towards success. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. This is a message from all the teachers of the morning shift. We, the teachers of morning shift, and myself, the vice principal of the morning shift, we wish you all the best for your journey. We at St. Paul's Academy are very proud of how young, beautiful, talented people like you are now going to spread your wings out in the world. We bless you with all the health, the prosperity that you can get, the name and fame that you can bring. And you as Paulines, please try your level best to make your parents and us proud. Once you're done, once you feel that you have achieved something, come back, share your story with us, and we'll be happy, we'll be proud to have you back. Thank you.
Hey, volume कम कर, पापा जग जाएगा.
सबसे नशीला है, जिसे देखो यहाँ वो हुस्न की बारिश लगीला है. इश्क के मुँह पे करके सभी अपराध लीला है. मैं करूँ तो साला करैक्टर ढीला है. मैं करूँ तो साला करैक्टर ढीला है. मुकाला मुकाबला लेला लोगो लेला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लेला ओ लेला. अगले ना जान तू बेवफा हो जा. अगले ना जान तू बेवफा हो जा.
Shake your body, girl.
Take picture. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my temperature. Yes, I said, Mada, Aja, Nachine, Gitare. I'm ready, hold it, Aja, Pari, Rajirare. I'm ready, Yaki, Yofi, Yaki, Yofi, Lave. I'm gonna knock it every time. Lame, lame, silky, Jabbar. Puri, kaun nachdi, jidi. Kamar te tattoo hai kamal. Puri, kaun nachdi.
तेरे उत्ते आया मेरा की कसूर लब तेरे नाल पाया मेरा की कसूर
ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੇਰਾ ਕੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਪੂਰੀ ਕੌਣ ਨੱਚਦੀ
दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो कोई न मुझके जाने पाए डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से बिक ना जाए तो फील करे वो जाके तोरण बुलगत ले जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाऊं जो खींच या तो मेरी खींच मेरी किस्मत होगी तेरी पर तुम नहीं बात न माने
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तू भी सानी 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 आ जाओ हम तो पीछे यारा फोटो मेरी खींच फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी जो तू नहीं है बात न मानी
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई
तुझको बना करके तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे तेरी की दुल्हनिया तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे तेरी की दुल्हनिया रानी बना करके ले जाएंगे तेरी की दुल्हनिया
सही है कैसी गुंडा करती है बंदी तू पे करती है सकती है भी करती है
दिल की बात समझ ले
the classical grace followed by the creative energy. You guys absolutely nailed it.
Now, to fill the air with melody and nostalgia, please welcome our choir performance with a beautiful mashup.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. मेहरबानी गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस राह में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की वजह यही है मरना उसी के लिए जहर बने हाँ तेरी ये जावा मैं पूरी लो आड़ा जी हो नहीं आया बात बात मेरा टकराया काला भोग दस जावे जावा क्यों दी चूड़ी आवाज आवाज रोड ना कोई मैं ना रोके मेरे ढोल जगाइया दी तेनू खबर की वे होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे मेरे घड़ियां बनाइया दी दिल बात की वे होवे आ जाए दिल तेरा पूरा
now have a semi-classical mashup. Please welcome them as they set foot on stage.
स्कूल के कॉरिडोर क्या ये हर साल लंबे होते जा रहे हैं या मेरे घुटने ही जवाब दे रहे हैं? 20 साल पहले तो इस ग्राउंड को मैं 10 सेकंड में क्रॉस कर लिया करता था और अब इट टेक्स मी 10 मिनट्स एंड अ प्रेयर।
रोहित, oh my God, no, क्रिकेट बैट की जगह now you stuck with protein shake and boo।
सारा the human calculator, तुम तो एकदम वैसी ही हो यार। Reunion में भी फाइल। What's this behavior, सारा?
It's a case file। अभी तो कोई रेस्ट भी नहीं होता। I like you too। सच कहूँ तो today I feel like we हमारा chemistry test ले ले। At least you don't have the right answers।
Make way for the boss.
बेच दो और चांद को खरीद दो, मार्स वाली मीटिंग को कैंसिल कर दो और पीएम के साथ वो मीटिंग शेड्यूल आफ्टर 2 days। और मेरे स्कूल के नर्ड्स, क्या हालचाल?
अर्जुन, oh my God, तो और CEO का फुल फॉर्म भी पता है तुम्हें?
ऑब्वियसली मेरे शब्द में तो उसे चीफ ऑफ चिलिंग कहते हैं।
भाई तो हिस्ट्री क्लास में भी खरवाटे मार कर सोया करता था, तो आपने ड्रास्टिक चेंज कैसे?
अरे वो नींद नहीं थी गाइस, मैं तो सपने देखा करता था। मैं 20 साल से एक ऐसी मशीन बना रहा था जो मेरा, तेरा नहीं, दोनों टॉपर है, चल साइडर, हम सब का होमवर्क वो खुद करते हैं। पिछले वीक ही उसका दी एंड हुआ था, थोड़ा लेट है, बट स्टार्टअप लाइफ इट्स क्वाइट ऑब्वियस ना।
Hello guys, I got 50 million followers. Hello my cute little red flags. So now I'm started to SPA हमारा पुराना स्कूल with lots of पुरानी यादें. Wow, इन दीवारों को देखो, so old and so vintage. Let's take a snap for my 50 million followers. Hashtag nostalgia. And look at our fitness freak Rohit. He got from 6 packs to family packs. Hashtag age like milk.
सॉरी, क्या बेल बज गए? क्या क्लास खत्म हुए?
Kabir, it's been 20 years.
सॉरी, पुरानी यादें हैं। अब अगर पुरानी बातों पे आ ही गए तो कुछ यादें ताज़ा हो जाए। याद है वो ग्रेट केमिस्ट्री लैब डिजास्टर?
Oh my God, अगर कोई टीचर देख ले इसे, we are dead. या hashtag भगवान को प्यारा.
और टेंशन क्यों ले रही है? हम लोग ये एक्सपेरिमेंट यूट्यूब पे देख के आए हैं।
What's happening here? Who did that?
Actually, ma'am, you know what? I can tell you who did it.
Now you get back to your classes. लेकिन guys, हमने ये किया क्यों था?
अरे यार, हम लोगों को बस देखना था कि कैबिनेट के हर केमिकल को मिक्स करने से आखिर होता क्या है, ये लो।
Hashtag experiments, you know.
और तेरा ये हैशटैग।
With friends, nothing compares to the dark ages.
अरे फिर वो हिस्ट्री के medieval period।
Oh, I'm talking about the online class era.
Ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am, your screen is frozen.
मैं सुबह 8 बजे कितने मुश्किल से ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करती थी, पजामा विद ब्लेजर, बट विद लिपस्टिक ऑन. Yeah, of course. Hashtag beauty queen, you know.
और मेरे कैमरा पॉलिश, मैम का वही डायलॉग, अर्जुन कीप योर कैमरा ऑन। और मेरे वो किसे भी के बहाने, मैम नेट का कनेक्शन नहीं है, लाइट का अटेंशन नहीं है, और पढ़ाई का तो बिल्कुल इंटेंशन ही नहीं है। I mean है, but कैसे करूँ मैं कैमरा ऑन मैम?
ये तो है, बट ये भी मानना पड़ेगा ना कि अगर आज वो टीचर्स ना होते तो शायद आज हम यहाँ ना होते। Hats off the teachers.
Hashtag respect for teachers.
ये आवाज, it means freedom, guys.
हम लोगों ने यहाँ से निकलने के लिए 14 साल वेट किया था, और अब जब हम लोग यहाँ से निकल गए, then why do we feel like coming back and live the life again?
Because here हम लोग न CEO हैं, न lawyer हैं और न ही engineer हैं. We are just us. It's from me I feel like a 17 years old timid girl, which I was 20 years ago.
अरे मुझे तो अभी वो बच्चा याद आता है, एक हाथ में क्रिकेट बैट, दूसरे हाथ में बॉल, जिसे धूप डलने से पहले एक और मैच खेलना होता था.
We were not making memories, guys. We were just enjoying our best. समझ ही नहीं आया कभी enjoyments हमारी best memories बन गई.
To the teacher who raised us,
to the always that held us, and to the friends who never ever left us. We came as strangers, we leave as friends. Lost 2026, sign out, but never gone.
ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा. ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा. इसलिए खाना काम आएगा, बस खाने पीने जीने क्योंकि जिंदगी है शान.
Now that was a real theater. The very essence of our school life was captured perfectly. We'd have really wished that the final bell would have never rang.
Seniors, are you ready for some nakhra? अब थोड़ा स्टाइल और स्वैग दिखाने का टाइम आ गया है. So, put your hands up together for the creative hip hop to nakhra wakhra and rug.
पीछे पीछे नचदे नी मुंडे कुआरे, कर दियो नान फिर क्यों तू इशारे. चले जद रोडे उत्ते टुटने ने सिग्नल, पटियाला सूट जद ब्लैक तू पावे. पीछे पीछे नचदे नी मुंडे कुआरे, कर दियो नान फिर क्यों तू इशारे. चले जद रोडे उत्ते टुटने ने सिग्नल, पटियाला सूट जद ब्लैक तू पावे. लगदे हमारे लगदे प्यार तेरे वैग वैग मन सब कहंदे बेलोड़ी तेरा नखरा वखरा, बेलोड़ी तेरा नखरा वखरा, बेलोड़ी तेरा नखरा वखरा, बेलोड़ी तेरा नखरा वखरा.
To celebrate the essence of divine melody, the stage is set for a devotional offering. Let us welcome Devjani Dey of 11C as she presents a soulful performance.
taught us music. You taught us to smile. You taught us to give and the right way to live. Can never thank you enough for being what you were and making us what we are. Gurave Namah.
फिर बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो छोड़ दो
Carry the spirit of appreciation forward. I would now call the former captain Shomajit Mondal, the former vice captain Anshu Singh, and the former flag bearer Shravan Gupta for the vote of thanks.
Hello, hello. Good afternoon to all the dignitaries, respected teachers, our dear classmates and beloved juniors. Today, as we stand before you as the representatives of class 12 on this memorable occasion of our farewell ceremony, newspaper adios, our hearts feel both heavy and incredibly full.
Heavy, because one of the most beautiful chapters of our lives is coming to an end.
And full, because of the countless memories, lessons, friendships and values that this institution has gifted us.
First and foremost, we extend our deepest gratitude to respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Gupta, respected Secretary Sir, Mr. Vijay Kumar Gupta, and respected Principal Sir, Mr. S.N. Prusti.
Respected Vice Principal Sir of the day shift, Mr. Troy Frederick Ward, respected Vice Principal Ma'am of the morning shift, Mrs. Gigi George, and respected Discipline Coordinator Ma'am, Mrs. Amrita Rani Shahu.
Our respected class teachers of Standard 12, Kaushik Sir, Monalisa Ma'am, Sudipa Ma'am, Suparna Ma'am, and our respected moderators, Mishmi Ma'am and Sarvajit Sir, and esteemed teachers of both the day shift and morning shift.
Thank you for building an institution that goes far beyond academics, an institution that nurtures character, discipline, leadership, and humanity. Your vision has shaped us into confident individuals prepared to face the world beyond these walls with courage and integrity.
To our respected teachers, words will never truly be enough. You were not just educators, you were mentors, guides, and at times, silent supporters who believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. Thank you for your patience, your constant encouragement, and for correcting us when we were wrong, not to discourage us, but to help us grow. You taught us lessons far beyond textbooks, lessons of honesty, perseverance, kindness, and responsibility. Whatever we become tomorrow, we'll always carry your teachings with us. A heartfelt thanks to Shiv Sir and Neha Ma'am for guiding our juniors and helping make this event so memorable, and to our non-teaching staff and maintenance staff members for ensuring the smooth flow of today's program.
To my fellow classmates, my second family, we entered the school as strangers and today we leave as friends. Bonded by years of shared laughter, stress, failures, victories and unforgettable moments. From exam anxieties to last bench laughters, from morning assemblies to farewell rehearsals. Every moment is priceless. As a poet beautifully said, आज classroom खाली है, कि आज classroom खाली है पर यादों से दिल भरा. कल रास्ते होंगे अलग पर दोस्ती का साथ ना छूटा जरा. And our friendship stands as the perfect reflection of these lines. A special note of gratitude to our dear junior brothers and sisters for arranging such a wonderful farewell. For your efforts, warmth and affection mean more to us than words can ever express. As we step into new journeys, we carry these memories with us forever. This is not just a goodbye, it is a promise to remember always.
Dear St. Paul's Academy, our alma mater, today we do not say goodbye to bricks and walls. We speak to you, the living soul that has raised us. You watched us walk in as nervous children, carrying oversized bags and even bigger fears. You watched us grow,
slowly, imperfectly into young adults who learn not just formulas and facts, but courage, friendship, failure, and hope.
Thank you for believing in us before we believe in ourselves.
Thank you for being more than a school. Thank you for being our home.
Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this beautiful 12 years journey. With immense gratitude, respect and love, we signing off. Myself Somojit Mondol from class 12B.
Myself Shravan Gupta of class 12B.
Myself Anshu Singh of class 12A from the ISC batch 2025-26. Now, we kindly request our classmates to join us in the standing ovation for all the members of SPA who have made this journey so memorable for us. I request all of you to please stand up. I request you all to please give a big round of applause to each and every member of SPA for the program.
Thank you. Collective gratitude. I invite the school captain, Saida Apsara Azam, vice captain, Sudarshan Soren, and the flag bearer, Sajida Khatun.
Good afternoon, everyone.
I, school captain.
I, school vice captain,
I, school flag bearer.
are honored to bid farewell to our seniors of the batch 2025-2026.
Over the years, the school has been more than just a building. It has been your second home. It is where you have grown from children into young adults. Within these walls, you have shared the stress of board exams, the thrill of sports day victories, and the simple joy of sharing lunch with friends.
For years, you have been our mentors and guides, setting a benchmark of excellence and leadership that we, the juniors, strive to maintain. And absolutely, we will miss your energy in the corridors, the classrooms, and the legacy you leave behind. As you step out to face the world, remember that the school always remains your home. We wish you immense success in your board exam and future endeavors.
As we stand here today, our heart filled with mixed emotions, gratitude for memories we cherish, and a quiet sadness as we bid farewell to a beautiful chapter of our lives. This farewell is not just a goodbye, but the moment to pause, reflect, and express our heartfelt thanks.
Let us now clear the depth of huge gratitude to our respected Chairman Sir, Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, and Vice Principal Ma'am. If there was someone whose values had shaped our character and success, it is them. Under their esteemed vision and unwavering support, this brilliant event has tasted success.
Now we all know, Rome wasn't built in a day. Of course, it was built by the builders. Here are the builders of this grand event. The elegant dance teacher, coordinator, Shiv sir and Neha ma'am, Mishmi ma'am, Sarvajit sir and other teachers who contributed and aided us to extract the maximum out of this day.
But this credit remains yet undisturbed. You also, the arts. Let us now thank the artists, the standard 11 students for their selfless contributions and extensive hard work in bringing the seniors into limelight. Lastly, to our dear Darshan years, we wish you success and happiness in all your future endeavors. With this, we bid adieu to everyone. Thank you for those moving reflections. Truly, the departure of our seniors marks the end of a significant chapter. Now, I would request the team of South Ending Mashup Dance to please come up on the stage.
घूमता है मैं सुरूरों में
करायचं का चालू Good afternoon, students of class 12 as well as class 11. For class 12 students, your school lives come to an end, and this is not end, this is the beginning of your greater life, that is for college life. There is a difference between school life and college life, and basically I want to tell you that is your journey from nursery to class 12 comes to an end. Keep it in your mind always, and the school is always remembers you. And the thing is that not only the class 12 students, class 11 students are working hard to give you the farewell and make it a memorable day for you. And this is the culture of our school. Each and every year, class 11 students work a lot to give you the farewell of class 12 student. It is quite appreciable, and we need this type of culture and this type of cultural program in each and every year in our school. Thank you.
Hello class. Again a time has come when we have to do the toughest job, bidding farewell. But what solace we draw from it is a new life is waiting for you all. Just go forward and make us feel proud. We all love you a lot, and you will be missed always. It's your second home, and a home can never be away. So whenever you turn back, you will find us always there. So all the best. Waiting for a great result. Goodbye.
सुप्रभात। आज आप सभी को यहाँ विदाई समारोह देते समय मुझे गर्व और उदासी दोनों का ही अनुभव हो रहा है। गर्व इसलिए कि आप लोगों ने यहाँ अपनी स्कूली शिक्षा के 12 साल पूरा कर चुके हैं। अब आपके जीवन में एक नया पड़ाव शुरू होने जा रहा है। आप एक नई दुनिया में प्रवेश करेंगे जहाँ बड़ी बड़ी चुनौतियाँ होंगी, पर मुझे विश्वास है कि आप उन चुनौतियों को बड़ी मेहनत लगन के साथ उन्हें पार करेंगे। आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Hello students. First of all, I wish you all the best for your upcoming ISC examination. You know, this is time of the year. Every year I feel very sad because I need to say goodbye to you. It's not a goodbye though, because you will always be remembered, you will always be welcomed, and we shall be meeting up again also after the examination, after your school, and I wish all of you to have a bright and great future ahead. What to say? I mean, I just don't feel like to say many words about it, but only thing is that I usher all my blessings to you, and you will always be remembered and loved by all of us. Thank you, students.
Hi children. I'm sure you all are going to choose your own course of life. So be it. All the best. Just stay humble.
ক্লাস 12-এর সকল ছাত্রছাত্রীদের জন্য রইল অনেক অনেক শুভকামনা তোমাদের আসন্ন পরীক্ষার জন্য। আর পরিশেষে তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমি একটা কথাই বলবো, জীবনে চলার পথে অনেক বাধা বিপত্তি আসতে পারে। সেই বাধাকে অতিক্রম করে তোমরা সামনের দিকে এগিয়ে যাও। তোমরা জীবনে প্রত্যেকে প্রতিষ্ঠিত হও এবং একজন প্রকৃত মানুষ হয়ে ওঠো, যার জন্য তোমার বাবা মারাও যেন গর্ববোধ করতে পারে।
Good morning, all of you assembled here, hoping that all of you are fit and fine. Now again this day has come, every year it comes, and I feel very sad to say that I am bidding you farewell, my very dear class 12 students. So I will not tell that I am bidding you farewell. Maybe you are crossing the limit of your school life, but we will have touch with each other throughout our lives. If you want to, if I want to, we can remain in touch. We have shared many memorable things together. We have spent many joyful moments, happy moments with each other, and some bitter experiences are also there. I have scolded you many a times, but always remember that the parents, the teachers, they scold you to keep you on the right path. Do not take it otherwise, so that you can remain in a disciplined life. It is very, very essential. And I am very much confident, I am very much sure that my students will never misunderstand me. Maybe I am the class teacher of class 12C, that is humanities, but I love all the students dearly, those studying science, those studying commerce, because I have taught all of you up to class 10. As history is a compulsory subject, I have taught all of you up to class 10. So all of you are really very dear to me. I will always tell that best of luck for your future. Go ahead, come out with flying colors in all walks of life. And the very last thing that I want to remind you, I will end with a saying. What we are is God's gift to us. But what we become is our gift to God. So at present what we are, God has given us. But remember, what we will become in future, that we will present to God. So always give your best, always try to be a nice human being, serve the society, serve your motherland, and serve the world as a whole. Once more, best of luck to all of you. Thank you so much. Stay happy and blessed.